Hey guys, Connor here again at Earth MotorCars. I've got a 67 Bullitt Mustang, true fastback car. This is pretty cool, guys. We try to do a couple little things on here to really make it stand out. Up front, we've got upgraded blacked out LED headlights so you can actually drive this car at night and see where you're going. Let's take a look underneath the hood here, going all the way around. 347 stroker motor on here. So this started life as a 289 or 302 Windsor block, has been stroked out to a 347 or a 5.7 liter, whichever one you want to call it. Nothing else crazy in the engine bay here. I mean, everything's good. We got the chrome bars, sport bars on here, front and back. Obviously new shocks, everything like that. We don't really mess around here with anything old. Up front, all the way around, 15-inch US mag wheels. We're trying to copy that Bullitt style from the movie, so this is about as good as we can get. Looks really good on this car. The paint on this guy, I don't know if it comes across on camera. It probably comes across as black, but it's a really, really good deep green on here. It looks awesome in the sun. Coming around back, this is one of the little touches we try to do. We did a blackout kit all along the taillights on here, again, trying to match that Bullitt style Mustang, matching the front, everything like that. Inside the truck, along with the interior, brand new carpet, freshly upholstered. No subs or anything back here. You don't need it in this car. You're cruising in this thing. We also did go ahead and replace the chrome trim, front and back windshield on here. Super shiny, looks super good. Same thing, wiper arms, everything like that, all new chrome. Taking a look inside here, we've got brand new seats, front and back, freshly upholstered, brand new carpet all the way around on this guy. Even custom Bullitt floor mats. I don't know if you can see that on camera. Brand new Grant GT wood grain steering wheel, Hornworks, brand new gauges. So gauges are awesome, in great shape. I mean, it's just a cool car, guys. Nothing crazy about this unit, but it's all like factory stuff the way that it should be. Fires right up, the runs and drives great, no problem on this. Let's take it for a ride and see how she does. Let me get out here on the main road. All right, driving the Bullitt. This thing's just cool, man. You always can enjoy a 67 Mustang, especially a fastback. You know you look good, they drive good, everything like that. There's something special about whenever you drive it. You know, you've got that wood grain steering wheel in your hands, GT logo, you're driving the Mustang, like it just brings you back. I don't know how else to describe it. This car was actually a little bit of some work that we had to do. We did have to put new floors in this car. That was a lot of money from the body shop, but it's got brand new floor pans all the way around on this guy, and we also did a lot of paint correction on this guy too. Wasn't really that bad whenever we got it in, if that makes sense, but really not up to our standards, you know, that we like to sell cars here. As you can see, she's super smooth, no problems. Again, with that 347 stroker, it does give you a good bump in power on this guy, but you're not making 600 wheel horsepower, wheel spin, everything like that. It's an awesome cruiser though. I just really like these cars, man. They're smooth, you know? They're not fast, they're not loud, everything like that, but they're cool. I mean, I'm doing 50, 60 miles an hour on here. One hand on the steering wheel, other hand out the window, cruising along. Super, super easy driver. You really don't see a lot of these Bullitt Mustangs either driving down the road. We have a lot of Eleanors, as you guys know, on the website. And you see them at car shows every now and then, stuff like that. But me personally, I mean, I've been in the car scene for almost 10 years now. I don't ever really see Bullitts anymore, you know? They're a really cool car though, I'll tell you that. The rear seats too, along with the front seats, pan to it. Brand new seats, freshly upholstered, and the carpet in the back too, over here if you can tell. These cars were notorious to be kind of like a rattle trap back in the day. You know, they were the cheap sports car, but we went ahead and put carpet adhesive on everything like that. So now you can actually drive it and talk to each other. There's no rattles in here or anything like that. As you guys can hear, she's smooth, quiet. It's got a little bit of a growl to it in the engine, but nothing crazy, you know what I mean? It's really hard to tell on camera too, maybe, but with the paint on this guy, once you get it in the sunlight, it's like a really, really deep green. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It's got a little bit of that pearlescent in it too, so it glitters a little bit. But whenever you drive it around and park it like somewhere in the shade, it looks like a black car. But once you actually get out on the light, you actually see that green and it's just gorgeous. All right, let's go and pull into the dealership here and I'll give you a little bit of information on this car. I like this car, man, it's smooth. I feel like I'm getting old because I like smoother cars, you know? Yeah. We do have this guy listed currently right now, $106.99. So take a look at it online, see what you think. I think it's a cool car, awesome cruiser, and I'm telling you, we've got a lot of money in floor pans, paint work, everything like that. Why don't you guys come up here and take a look yourself? Tell me if I'm wrong. And I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.